I am Poornima Kalal. Currently, I am pursuing Bioinformatics course at Biotecnika. I have a background in applied genetics with master's degree from Karnataka University, Dharwad. I also bring 2 years of hands-on experience in molecular biology techniques, including DNA, RNA isolation, primer designing, PCR, Sanger sequence analysis, and working with cancer cells. In this internship, I am currently doing a project on rare genetic neurodevelopmental disorder called Rett Syndrome. During this, I have been learning bioinformatic tools and techniques such as molecular docking, drug discovery workflows, NGS tools which include sequence alignment, variant calling, quality check, and functional annotation tools. The offline bioinformatics course at Biotecnika has provided me a fantastic opportunity to bridge a gap between theoretical biology and computational analysis. This course allows direct interaction with faculty and peers and professionals. The projects that I have been part of has given me invaluable insights into the bioinformatics research. I have enhanced my skills of data handling and problem solving with the help of faculties here at Biotecnika. The hands-on training and offline sessions have been incredible experience for me. I am proud to be part of Biotecnika community and I look forward to make a positive impact in the same field.